Hello everyone, Don here with the Breakthrough Crew. Welcome aboard. This is the very first video in a obviously a very lengthy series of videos because there's a lot to cover here, but I'm just going to start off with walking you through your dashboard. Now I want to make sure that nobody is technically overwhelmed here. I want to walk you through what's important and what is not. Now this is what your dashboard looks like when you log into your dashboard. Now if you can see on your site here, we're going to hit visit site. It will take you to your site. This is what your site looks like. What I want to do here is I want to just go to the dashboard. This is what it's going to look like when you first log in. You're not going to have this My Sites. I'm logged into admin, so don't worry about this. All you're going to see is this drop down, okay, inside of this drop down. Now with this area here, I'm going to walk you through what each one of these are for. I'm going to tell you what not to worry about, what to worry about. All of these things here, right now, I don't want you to worry about any of them except for one thing, and this is your post, okay? Now coming over to your site, every time you come to your site, you want to update your site, I'm going to give you a quick little tutorial on how to blog and how to post a blog, okay? Very simply, as you can see, you're on your main page of your site, you're logged in, you're going to go up here, you're going to click New and Post. What I've done here is I've created a post already, so I'm just going to grab my tagline, okay, or as you create your tagline, and we're going to copy that out. We're going to go back, we're going to make that tagline, boom, done. We're going to go in here. I've already loaded my media up, so I'm going to hit add media, and I'm going to do a post around Pro Beta. And as you can see, there's the image. That was that simple. I went to add media. It added it for me, and I can also add media. If I want to add media, I can hit upload file, go to files, select files, pick the picture that you want. I picked I'm just going to pick one of myself here and make it simple. I had one here, bear with me here for a second here. I should have had this a little bit more. Anyway, I already picked it. If you were going to do it, all you got to do here is click there. Boom, it will reload it. Let it load. And what you're going to do is you're going to click it, insert post. So now I've got two. If I want to get rid of this, I'm going to just get rid of it. I'm going to click on it, get rid of it. If I want to center it, I click center. If I want to go to the right, I click right. If I want to go, so for me, I always keep my blog post to the left. You can do it any way you want. If you've got a bigger image, then you might want to center it. But simply this. So you're going to click off of it. As you can see, this is super simple to use. There's no, it's almost like you've got your own. It's almost like you've got your own, basically like word style. I guess word processing creator. As we go along here, I've already created this. You write whatever you want in here. Pro Beta is amazing, whatever you want. But what I would generally do is I would go out and search a keyword. I'm going to do a keyword research after we do this. So watch out for that video. I'll fire it out by email. But anyway, we're going to add a new post. I always write my post in Word, or my blogs in Word, so that I always have a copy of it for whatever reason. And I'm just going to literally cut and paste the content that I've created. I'm going to get into how the content's created, so you don't got to worry about this. I just want you guys to get used to creating a post, learning how to do it, and then once you've learned how to do it, this is going to be very, very easy to do. Now, creating content is one of the most powerful things that you can do for your business, because the more content you create, the more you have on the internet that the search engines are searching for. When somebody's searching for specific information, they're going to find you. That's going to turn into a lead and a relationship. Then that's going to turn into money, and that's what we're all here for. So when you're done doing this, we've got our content in here. We're going to go over here and we're going to click uncategorize, because we want it to post to our main page. Now this is where it's very important. This is where it starts tagging. This is where Google is going to start searching for these specific keywords. I'm going to type in Pro Beta, one of them, Pro Beta Visi, whatever you think is relevant, and I'm going to show you in another video exactly how to find these keywords. But for now, I just want you getting proficient in putting a post together. I want you to figure out what this dashboard is. The media, I just showed you the media library. You can go in here, click these, all your pages, all these pages are done for you, so you don't need to worry about it. But if you do want to add a page, I will be doing a tutorial on how to add your pages. Comments, don't worry about this. Your Thrive Themes Lightbox, don't worry about any of this right now. We will get into this in future stuff. But for now, all you need to realize is that this is a substantial amount of amazing tools that are already set up for you. You don't need to worry about them for now. I need you to understand how powerful blogging is and putting together a blog post. When you put a blog post out to the search, to the world, it's there for life. So when somebody's searching for specific information, which they always will be, and as Visi becomes a household name, and Visi and ProBeta, if your information's out there, it will start getting picked up by the search engines. Another thing that's very important, you see where it says separate tags with commas? This is very important. Every single word that you want tagged out needs to have a comma between them, because that's how it's picked up. So Visi Global, we'll pick a couple other keyword search terms here, but I will show you how to do keyword research so that these tags are proper for everything that you're doing. As you can see, they're down here. And as you create these keywords, you'll be able to choose from your most used keywords. And as you can see, they'll already be here for you. So once you've built this tag list out, you'll just be able to click, 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 and they'll all post for you. When you're finished here, you're happy with everything, and say you come here and something happens, you're not able to finish this blog post, you can click save it as a draft, and you're done. I always preview what my blog posts look like, and as you can see, you've got your share it, pin it. All this is done for you, so you don't even got to worry about it. All you got to do is worry about creating content. That's it. So it looks good to me. I'm happy with it. I go back over here. I click publish, and what happens is, boom, you're done. We're going to preview the changes right here, and this is what my site looks like now. So if I want to come back over and take a good look as to what the front of my page looks like, all I'm going to do is click there, and I've got myself an amazing blog post here with all of my information. Here it is. The best part about this is now I can go onto my blog post. Here's my URL for the blog post. I can copy that. I can then go over to my Facebook page and post this in here and start showing my friends, hey, look at my new blog post. Facebook's automatically going to populate my blog post. Videos are phenomenal for doing this, and adding a video is no different than adding media. So you just click the add media file, insert from a URL. You're going to take your YouTube video, you're going to put your URL post in here, click insert into post, and it's going to do the exact same thing for you. This would be a video then instead of an image, and I strongly suggest you use videos. Because once you post this, everybody who comes here to take a look at this information is going to be going to your website. They're going to be looking at your information, and that's what you want to be able to attract people into your business. So thank you very much for taking the time here. Welcome to the Breakthrough Crew, and I look very forward to I'm also going to walk you through this actually. Inside of the dashboard here, inside of the members, you also have a members training area. All these videos are going to be inside of the Hangout webinars, presentations, get your Visi business started. This particular video will be here in that because this is the most important thing from online marketing is creating content. Anybody of any success online creates content on a daily basis, weekly basis, however big you want your business to be is going to be in direct result to the content that you put together moving forward. We do have a whole bunch of other amazing tools and technologies that we're going to start implementing, but really you got to really get, just like I said, I don't want technical overwhelm coming in. I want you to learn how to just do a simple blog post for now, get moving on that, get some information up, and start figuring out how it looks on the front of your page, and we will call it a day from there. So once again, inside of the members portal, all of this, I'll also be emailing this out, so get your people involved and tell them what's going on here. I'll also be doing trainings every single day at 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, Monday to Friday. I will be opening up the floor for people that have questions with their blog, anything to do with what we're doing here inside of the Breakthrough Crew. So Once again, thank you, and we will see you in the next video.